Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, February 2nd, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Nintendo Switch that will have its online service. Nintendo announced that the online services for the Nintendo Switch console will start in September. Of course, a lot of Nintendo Switch users are waiting for that. It will enable people to play games online together and also play Nintendo classic games, apparently, and all sorts of other goodies. So apparently that's coming in September. Some users of Surface Pro 4 are reporting that there are some screen flickering issues. Funny stories of some people putting the device into the freezer to make it better. Seems that several hundred reports have come in, and it would be apparently because the device is overheating. So it's going to be interesting to see the future and how this actually goes, but it doesn't seem to affect everyone. Well, Microsoft announced and confirmed that Office 2019 is coming later this year. It will only support Windows 10, so this is interesting, no Windows 7 or 8. And for the first time, the lifespan of the product, usually is always 10 years at Microsoft, is now going to be reduced to 7 years, meaning 5 years mainstream support plus 2 years extended. So this is going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. Windows 10 Enterprise and Education are getting more extensions. Now, a few months back, we've learned that 6-month extensions were given to older versions of Windows 10 that, give Enterprise more time to upgrade. Well, now we see that there's another 6-month extension being given because of the same problems. Seems that the Enterprise is really reluctant in upgrading, doesn't like the fact that Windows 10 upgrades so often. Apple sold 77.3 million iPhones in the holiday season, a pretty good number, but it fell short of the amount that they should have sold. Now, some analysts are saying maybe it's time that Apple is now starting to have declining sales, but pretty much everybody thinks that it's just temporarily they just missed the target. So there's a thing called GenX, which is a Internet of Things botnet, and it is scary because it is one of the most powerful botnets ever created and can create really some huge distributed denial of service attacks on the internet. And they have a sale. For $20 they can actually bring down whatever website you want. So this is kind of scary, and many analysts are saying, that is actually telling us why Internet of Things devices should be very secure. So Superbowl is going to happen this weekend. This is a big thing in North America with American football. And one of the things that we think might happen this weekend is that it might actually be the record for the amount of data sent during an event. Thanks to the fact that some people will be streaming it. Some people will be, of course, on social media uploading pictures and doing all sorts of things. And basically all that upload in data and social service and tweets and text messaging might actually break the record for the amount of data during an event. Don't know if we'll have numbers next week, but that's going to be interesting to follow. YouTube is working on regulations that will punish those who are damaging the reputation of not just YouTube as a whole, but of the fellow creators. They say that now there are too many times that some of the most popular YouTubers have posted videos that actually made a big change in the reputation of the service and also hurt other creators, and that it's time that this changes. Amazon revenue up 38%, which is pretty amazing, but one of the things that not a lot of people were talking about is that yes, Amazon sold a lot of devices, yes, Amazon sold a lot of stuff, but it's not just that. Amazon also has a really popular Amazon Web Services cloud solutions, and that is also driving revenue up quite fast. And one of the things that, of course, it shows is that today as Microsoft Azure, which is also the cloud service for Microsoft, is 8 years old. It just shows how the increase is amazing. 90% year-over-year increase in revenue. And we know that this will drive Microsoft into the future. So kind of amazing how cloud services are changing companies. So this was the Tech News Update for Friday, February 2nd, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.